Today I am solving second largest element. We are using a better approach because in the previous video I discussed about brute force approach. So move with this question and n is equal to nums dot size. Uh, Done. I am computing the size here, and after getting the size, what I do now, checking the base condition. If n is smaller than 2, okay, in that case return -1. If this getting done, int largest is equal to int min. This is the lowest possible value of an integer in C++. And if I am getting largest, now compute largest for int I is equal to 0 to I less than and I plus plus. Okay, and here I am checking the condition. If largest if largest, if nums of I greater than largest, if nums of I greater than largest. Whenever I am making some mistake, now my brain immediately catches that I am doing some mistake. If nums of I greater than largest, what I do next is I actually don't remember a code. So you have to be logical. So coding is not about memorizing the code. You have to think what I do next. So here I just say that nums of I should be greater than largest, and largest value is int means that the smallest here, if is it the value of 1, means that nums of I is equal to 1, then it is greater than the largest because largest value is int min. So I am going to initialize largest is equal to nums of I. So here I get our largest element. After computing the largest, I am going to compute the second largest. So int seclar largest, second largest is equal to again int main done, and using just copy the code snippet here, control C, enter, control V. What I need to make change that SE SEC second largest, SEC largest done. Uh, and here also nums of I greater than second, nums of I should be greater than second largest, and here one more condition, and what and nums of I not equal to what, nums of I not equal to largest. Done. Largest, largest. So I am here SEC uh, C second largest, nums of I. Let's move. I am successfully computing largest and second largest. I need to check one more condition. If all element is same, means that if second largest equal to int min, in that case I need to return -1 because that there is no second largest element exist. And if all these pass successfully, return second largest. Done. Uh, Try. I hope all test cases get passed. Running code. Yep, done. Case 1 accepted, case 2 accepted.